Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab P11, and today I'll show you how to insert SD card into this tablet. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM ejector. SIM comes provided with the device in the box, but you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top side of the device right over here. So you can insert the tool right here, push it in, and the tray does pop out just a slight bit, but enough for you to actually wedge your fingernail in there and pull it out. And on the tray, as you can see, we have space for only a single SD card, so place it on the tray, and then while holding it securely so it doesn't actually fall out, to insert it into the device, like so, and it should be working right away. Oh, there we go. As you can see, notification, SD card was detected. And yeah, that is how you would insert your SD card into this device. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.